Alright, so here we are going. We're going to eat the Chinese boy food. We're going to just run in, we're not place no order, and we're not waiting on no line.
Oh, you mean, man? If we have to go chop, so we then not chop him. So
You see, pray.
everything sweet, I was sour.
Alright.
So yeah, the tools are ready.
Yeah, man, I'm in a regular place.
Oh! So something set now.
Yo, footnet, that one you not fear that.
Yo, any move in the neck already now bring me still a forward.
Footnet.
Yo, make him forward, man. Get a taste off of the phone.
Yo, you don't know them money like how me know them money, I know.
Yo, you chat too much, man.
Footneck is a whole different breed of human being.
So folk now come back there and say that.
Footnet will make them say that.
After me don't know why you say that.
Alright, Footnet, you can't forward, man.
Yo, forward me tell you flat now. Here we are going. We have got some boom. We have go by Chinaman place. Got 18 Fords.
Stay there.
See, pray.
Like it's one of that. All you can eat.
Muffet style and a Muffet style.
We show you if we can ready here.
Alright, do that. So, Footneck, you understand what I go on?
So me I must understand. At dinner time.
Ready for your hot meal.
Footneck, you understand say I know eat, we go eat.
A dime, we have a dime.
Footneck, more I hear you say you understand.
The man must understand.
Footneck.
Me understand.
Hold on, now Sam I call you. Sam, we soon talk to you. Footneck, listen me good. You go grow on my back and you go get the special tools them and you and Sci-Fi when you meet me out at shop, Zin?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Time for China boy last supper.
Where's the Footneck? You told them in this.
So me no must cut it all.
So here we go. I go run in and then you wait like 30 seconds and then you come in after me.
Alright.
So Footneck, I met the man them never want to bring up on the ramp.
Get the tools them ready. Tools them ready.
Time to eat some food now at dinner time. Robbery. Brother, me have to tell you something.
It's epic out here.